Okay, so I have a 2005 Nissan Titan, and I knew at least one of the speakers were blown, but I removed both of the door speakers. Here's one that I've already replaced and done. Here's the other one that I'm getting ready to do. Here's the new one that I'm about to put in, and a few of the things that I used to put the other one in. I wish I had taken a video of me doing the other one, but because the videos that I'm finding online aren't very explanatory for someone like me, so I had to figure it out on my own. The last video that I saw, the gentleman said, you know, you had to remove this casing, this casing right here, in order for this speaker, which is actually the same size. You have to remove this casing or order a new one. He chose to refurbish his, and I like to refurbish things as well because I'd rather keep that $30. So he didn't explain exactly how to get the speaker out in order for this speaker to fit in properly. So what I had to do is I actually had to turn it over, and I had to cut these pieces out. See how that is, like that right there? I had to cut these out with some very sharp, like, knives that, or scissors that you use for outdoors or whatever. And then I actually had to go in and tear out the old blown, you can see it's blown speaker. You know, it's 2005, so of course it's going to be blown. But I had to take everything apart, and the reason why is because this speaker from the factory, this is built in with its own connector, right? And so I wanted to use that same connector for my new speaker, but it is not set up the same way. It is set up with the normal male-female end. And so I had to figure out just exactly how I was going to do all this. And I want to show you in detail so you know what to do and you don't have no questions. And I will get back to you shortly.